Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and create or open ChatGPT account of yours. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply start our video. For the matter, first of all, access a particular browser of your mobile phone and go to the search bar and simply type in chat.openai.com and go to this official website of ChatGPT. Now you can see this two option, right? Login and sign up. We're going to create our account, so we're going to tap on the sign up option. Now it will give you plenty of options, including this option called continue with Google. If you tap on it, you will be able to create your account just by choosing a Google account, and it will access the information and you have your account. Other would be you can simply go ahead, enter your particular email address and tap on continue, and you will be able to create your account just like that. For me, I would like to choose this continue with Google. If you have a Microsoft account, that will also work, and if you have an Apple ID, that will also work just like the Google one. Tap on continue with Google, and now you will choose a particular account of yours. And now there you go, you simply have your account just like that over there, and you're logged in as well. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.